Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with the William O'Neill India. So let us start our today's webinar. And before we starting this session, this is a standard disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BSL, and certification from NASM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read all the related documents carefully before investing. So yesterday, index has been closed on a flat note, and there is just an update. Like this is the first time since last 20 years, index has been closed on the flat note without a single tick. So only fifth time this has been happened from the last 20 years. And after that, market closed. US market has been largely traded on the mixed note. Dow Jones has been closed on the positive note, and Nasdaq is on slightly negative. And Dow Jones has been closing on the positive notes from last six consecutive trading sessions. And European market has been closed on the positive note. And taking cues from there, Asian market has been closed on the positive note, except Korean market. And GIFT Nifty is currently trading around 22,370 kind of level. It's kind of flat to negative kind of opening we might get in our indexes. And coming to the news, on the US market, majority of the earnings are likely over, and majority of the earnings are not so great from US market. And many of the stocks has been corrected, and many of the major companies like tech companies are have announced the largely inline and below kind of estimates results data. And Brent crude, it's rises ahead, and it's currently trading at $84 per barrel. And today there is a key China economic data is going to be present, and US crude inventories, monthly inventories are going to be reported today at evening. So that's going to be a key important things. And coming to the domestic market, Wipro, the company has been collaborated with the Kognitos to deploy AI-based business automation solution. And RVNL gets an order worth of 167 crores from Southeastern Railway. And NBCC company received an order worth of around 400 crores from Supreme Court. And WPIL to consider its split effective from May 25th. And the Bank of Baroda recently, RBI has been stopped its Bob Wold app, and because of some complications in the with the few of the people from the Bank of Baroda. So right now they have lifted its ban, and it's currently resumed its customers to the Bob World app. And Juniper Hotels company received a term loan worth of 491 crores. And coming to the earnings, after market has been closed and the last second half of the market, L&T has been reported its earnings, and they have given a very good earnings report. Net profit grew around 10%, and Q4 earnings revenue grew around 15%. Also, they are expecting 10% order inflows in coming quarter. So they are targeting that 10% in the coming quarter also. And HG Infra also net profit is up around 11%, and revenue is also up around 11%, and very good earnings from HG Infra. And Home First in Finance also reported very good earnings. Net profit is up around 30%, and NII is up around 22%. So very good earnings from Home First also. And SKF India is also reported very good earnings, where net profit is up around 43%, and revenue is up around 10%. And TVS Motor and Hero Motor, both the stock has been reported the earnings, and both the earnings has been great. And Hero Motor is going to declare the 40 rupees per share as a dividend. And Tata Power also have reported very good decent numbers, 27% growth, and there is a high fuel cost, where the if you see last month geopolitical reasons, all the crude prices have been raised. So that is slightly impacted its earnings. And today, many of the oil marketing companies and PSU banks are going to report its earnings. One of them is SBI, PNB, IOB, and all marketing companies like SPCL, BPCL, and CAMS and Escorts are also going to be report its earnings. And one more company is Asian Paints. They are going to be also reporting earnings. So that's the key news for the domestic market. And coming to the derivatives data, Nifty PCR is 0.58. So Nifty is slightly sluggish from last 1 week. So let 22,800 and 22,500 maximum call OA is placed around that level. And on the put side, it's 22,000 and 22,200 is placed around that level. So coming back to the market. So this is a Nifty 50 chart and Nifty 50 daily chart. So if you see here, this is a 21 DMA blue line and 50 DMA is a red line and 100 DMA is a green line. So from last 3 January itself, it's trading in this upward sloping parallel channel. And if you see from last 1 week, last week, especially from last Friday, it has been touched its all-time high, nearly all-time high level. And after that, it's continuously it witnessed a selling pressure. And yesterday day before yesterday is marginally trading or hovering around its 50 DMA. So right now, what can do is so market has been corrected corrected little bit, and it is bullish moment has been has been wiped off. Right now, 22,300 has been yesterday's close. So around that level. So what is the level we can expect is 22,350, 370, which is a kind of level for intraday. It might face resistance around that level. So once it crosses above that 22,350, 370 kind of level, we might see some kind of bounce back towards 22,400 and then 22,500 kind of level in 1 or 2 trading session. However, if it fails to hold above that 22,350, 350, 370 kind of level, so index likely to continue its volatile trend, and it might see some sideways consolidation range in coming days. But on the downside, this yesterday's low, that is 22,180, 180, 150 kind of level is a key level to watch on the downside. If it falls below that level, 22,200, 180 kind of level, then we might see index might heading towards 22,000 kind of level in the coming days. So it's crucial. It's kind of very dicey market, and it's not easy to track each and every stocks where there might be some kind of breakout and breakout retest, and some breakouts may fall in this kind of market. So right now, what is the best solution is you follow your risk management, and whenever you take the position, you can take a small amount of money and ride the trend, but without putting everything in the market right now. So we can follow the risk management, keeping the stop loss ready, and identify the very good stocks, and keep a watch list regarding whichever the stock is making the basis. That you can do it in this kind of market. So market is kind of dicey, and follow your risk management in this particular scenario, especially in this May month, still the election results are due. So that's it from my side. And today evening, there is a special webinar from Mayuresh. So one can, those who are interested, please join that session. It's very interesting. So thank you for joining this session. So thank you all.